have the opportunity to visit Induct 2026 and I have the opportunity to inaugurate Jyoti CNC booth, and I witnessed that there are displaying 5 machines of different varieties. There are 5-axis machine, high-speed drill tape center, and the automated lathes and high-speed HMCs. It's very good to see, they are developing their technology and the innovations up to date. And we have been associated with Jyoti for the last 15 years, and we have more than 10 machines working in our industry, and they are performing good. In fact, their service is also good, and the stoppage is very good. And we are into EMS industry. We already have 100+ machines. So next batch of machines, I'm planning to buy some machines from Jyoti, so that they have 4-axis and 5-axis machine. This will boost us to foster our production capabilities and capacities. And thanks for Jyoti for their innovation and bringing India up to the mark of international level.